play so many games. Seems I never win, and all I've got to show are these lyrics from my mind and these scars on my skin. Be grateful for the pain. These feelings will someday fade, and every stain on your clothes represents some food you ate or art that you made. Be grateful for the food. It comes from so far we don't even know, and I've left hairs and skin cells everywhere I go. And I'd like to go where you don't need a bike lock, and you might go a week without seeing a clock. And I'd like to go where you don't need an alarm clock, and no one sets off fireworks on the block. I like to draw boats. I like to pet goats. I like to draw maps. I like to take naps. I'm grateful for my friends. Their contributions are uncalculated. Grateful for my thoughts, although I wish that they were less complicated. And I'd like to go where you don't need a bike lock, and you might go a whole week without seeing a clock. And I'd like to go where you won't hear a car alarm, and no one sets off fireworks on your block. I like to pet goats. I like to draw boats. I like to take naps. I like to draw maps.